Welcome to Chakra International. I'm Niramadan speaking. This is the engineers exams of previous year's question paper on networking. The audio is different because a limited time in the audio is also here. Environment, energy and environment. This is climate change. Climate is a long-term average of a region's weather event. Component of climate: atmosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere, geosphere, and biosphere. The factors affecting weather: temperature, air pressure, wind, moisture. And the causes of climate change: extraterrestrial factor, extraterrestrial impact, interstellar nebula, solar factor, Earth elliptical orbit, orbital, Earth axial inclination, oblique Earth axis, sunspot factor, geographic factor, continental drifting, volcanic dust impact, impact of El Nino, La Nino, and anthropogenic factors. These factors are this is the most important factor. Anthropogenic factors. These factors are man-made. They result from short-term climate change. It involves the changes in energy balance of Earth atmosphere system, leading to changes in weather and climate. Due to this, global warming has occurred faster than any other climate change occurred in human history. Then plate tectonics. Global warming. Global warming is the average increase in the temperature atmosphere near the Earth's surface in the troposphere, which can contribute to changes in global climatic patterns. It is a long-term process of gradual increase of the temperature of surface of Earth and oceans. It is a major driving factor behind the global climate change. Human activities are attributed to the majority of the global warming, which include the burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, degradation, unqualified use of natural resources. Global warming impact: a rise in sea level, changes in rainfall patterns, increased likelihood of extreme events such as heat waves, flooding, hurricanes, melting of ice caps, widespread vanishing animal populations. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases means those gaseous constituent of the atmosphere, both natural and anthropogenic, that absorb re-emit infrared radiations. Greenhouse constitute of water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, ozone. The factor responsible for greenhouse effect: industry effect, thermal power plant, combustion of fossil fuel, waste treatment process, biomass, animal husbandry, emission from traffic, lightning and thunderstorm, shifting cultivation, forest fires, volcanism, sunspot cycle, burning of agriculture waste and stubble burning. Non-greenhouse gases: black carbon, soot, brown carbon. Global warming potential. The global warming potential is a relative measure of amount of heat absorbed by any greenhouse gases with respect to carbon dioxide. It compares the potential impact of different greenhouse gases by calculating the amount of heat trapped by 1 kilogram of any greenhouse gas compared to amount of heat absorbed by 1 kilogram of carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide on global warming potential 1, methane it is 25 times of 25, nitrous oxide 296, hydrocarbon fluoride 14,800 CF per fluorocarbon, CF6 is 6,500, sulfur hexafluoride 22,800. The major causes of greenhouse gases: land use changes, burning fossil fuels, rise of cattle and dairy farming, deforestation, use of fertilizer and agriculture, burning of natural gas. Consequences of climate change: ozone layer depletions. Causes of ozone layer depletion: cheap ozone layer depleting substances include chlorofluorocarbons, carbon tetrachloride, hydrofluorocarbons, and methyl chloroform. The ozone depleting substances have been proven to be eco-friendly, very stable, non-toxic. The global effect of controlling depletion of ozone layer: rising global temperature, rise in sea level, ocean acidification. The impact of atmosphere on wind belts: the changes in pressure belt and atmospheric circulation. Intertropical convergence zones may move northwards in northern hemisphere. Intertropical convergence, known as doldrums, the area encircling the Earth near the equator, where the northeast and southeast trade wind converge. The changes in direction of permanent and periodic waves, changes in direction of warm and cold water currents, increase in the frequency of tropical and temperate cyclones, cloud cover, tornado storms, desertification resulting in expansion of deserts, extreme events such as heat waves, cold waves, droughts, tornadoes, western disturbances, frequency of El Nino and La Nino. adaptive strategy for mitigating climate change. Carbon sequestration. Carbon capture and storage is also known as carbon sequestration. Natural sinks, ocean, forest, soil. Artificial sinks, depleted oil, reserve, all minor waste. Carbon sink, blue carbon, green carbon. Carbon credit. Carbon credit is a tradable certificate or permit representing the right to emit 1 ton of carbon or carbon dioxide equivalent. Carbon offsetting or credit for reduction in greenhouse gas emission made at another location. Carbon tax is a potential alternative to cap and trade method currently used by protocol. This tax is based on the amount of carbon contained in fuels such as coal. The aim of this tax is to cause less fossil fuels use and hopefully cause the incentive to use other sources of energy. Climate engineering, commonly referred to as geoengineering, is a deliberate large-scale intervention in Earth's climate system with the aim of affecting adverse global warming. Green economy focuses specifically on the fundamental changes that are required to ensure the economic system made up more sustainable. Green economy focuses on ways to overcome the deeply rooted cause of unsustainable economic development. Carbon footprint is defined as the sum of all emissions of greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide, produced through burning of fossil fuels to support human activities. Expressed equivalent tons of carbon dioxide, it also measures the impact of human activity on the environment. To this, the present company, like it, subscribe, put a bell icon. Thank you.